What's up? It's your girl Hannah Marie, and this video is strictly for my ladies. Y'all have been dying, and I mean dying, to figure out my hair routine, so I'm about to do it with you today. So first off, when I'm in the shower, I just basically use any conditioner and shampoo. I usually use Aussie. That brand is really good for curls. It doesn't have any sulfates or anything like that. That's a really important thing to remember when you have curls, or really when you, any hair to be honest. Sulfates are not good for your hair. It has alcohol and stuff like that. Anything that has alcohol and sulfates, keep it away from your hair. Now, when I rinse all my stuff out, or when I'm washing my hair in general, you always want to use cold water. And I know you're thinking like, cold water, hell no, that's like a no for me, because I hate cold water. I love like steaming hot water. But when I'm washing my hair, I do use cold water because it helps with the frizziness, and then wash your hair with hot water and then see what the result is afterwards. You're gonna have really frizzy hair after you get out. And also another thing is, when you get out, never dry your hair. Never dry your hair with a towel. Always dry your hair with a cotton shirt. It doesn't even matter what it is. As long as it's a cotton shirt, that also helps with frizziness. I'm a big, strong believer of that. So when you get out the shower, wrap your hair up in a cotton shirt to dry it. Now, the products that I use, I only use 3 main products. Well, 4 including the hairspray to set my hair. And it took me literally, I'm not gonna say my age, but until now, recently, to really figure out what is good for my hair. And this may work for you, this may not. Everybody's curls is different, and everybody's curls works differently with products. So it really just depends on how your curls work with it. So I'll just try it, test it out for a couple of days, and then see if you like it. If you don't, try something else. So the first main ingredient that I use for my hair is this. I don't even know how to say this. I'm not even gonna try to say this, but this right here, this is the avocado hair milk. It works wonders. It makes my hair really soft, and it smells really good. So I just part my hair up, and I may look to the side because there's a mirror right here. I just part my hair up into 2 halves, and then if you notice like your hair is starting to get a little dry, just add a little bit of water. I'm just gonna add a little bit to my ends because they're kind of dry. So I put about, it just really depends on your liking. I put about this much. I know you're like, damn girl. Oh, you couldn't even see that. Check my head. I put about this much. And then I literally just come like this. And then I just work on one side of my head, working in the product. That's another really important step, is making sure you're getting top all the way to the ends, because you don't want any parts missing any hair product, because then it'll be like you put hair product in. And sometimes I have to keep adding. Like I said, it's just to your liking. But yeah, you don't want one part of your head to be poofy and then the other part to be like laid down, put together. So, also do that. Add a little bit more to my ends. Work on this other side. Make sure that's all nice and mixed. Just like that. And if you, I say, you can just use this, but if you want your curls to be like soft and not hard, you don't really want it to hold like all day. You just want kind of like a natural flowy look. I would just consider using this. It doesn't really have any strong hold, so if you want your curls, and my hair always does just like a whole bunch of hair, but if you want your curls to stay and be hard and not really hard, but just like stay in place and hold your curls, then I would recommend using the other 2 products that I'm about to show. But if not, just use that first product. So the second product I use is this Garnier Beauties Style Curl Sculpting Conditioning Gel. This gel is only a 3 in the hold, so it's not as strong, but I usually just put about this much, not too much of this, and I just put it evenly on each side, like so. And really, that my hair routine isn't too hard, like, or extravagant. Like, I literally use these 3 products and that's it. And people are just like, oh my god, I need your hair routine. Because I don't know, like having curls, it takes a lot to do your hair and to like find products that you like and actually work for your hair. So I don't mind sharing my secrets. And this is also another good thing to do when you have, especially when you have curls, is scrunching your hair. Because I've straightened my hair a lot throughout my lifetime, and sometimes my curls, you see how it's like a little straight right here? It just needs a little crunch. So scrunch it up. I said crunch. So scrunch it up. It just needs a little scrunch. You want to be doing this all periodically. You just want to do this periodically while doing your hair. So now that you got that, the last product or main ingredient that you have to use, especially if you want your curls to be set all day and don't go out of place, this got to be glued. The black bottle is right here. Worked wonders. I also use this on my baby hairs. Now a lot of people use that Eco Style gel for baby hairs. I cannot use that because it does not lay down my edges. My edges end up coming back up like within 10 minutes. So I don't use that. I use got to be glued on my hair and my edges, and my edges and hair be set like to the next day and probably about 2 more days after that. Like this gel is really strong. So if you're looking for a stronghold gel, got to be glued. The black bottle. They have a yellow bottle and a black bottle, but the black bottle is the one to get. Cause this be holding my curls and my baby hairs all day. I'm not even exaggerating. And anybody would tell you like this brand Got to Be is a really good brand. And they abide by their glue. They abide by their little sayings like got to be glued. It's basically like having glue because y'all should be stuck. You'd be stuck in place. But that's how I like mine. So y'all want to know, so I'm just telling y'all what I use. You don't have to use it, but it's just to your liking. Now that I got that done, that is basically all I do for my hair. Now I'm just gonna do my edges. Some people use this, or I just use a regular toothbrush. Now sometimes I use this if I want to be extra, but 9 times out of 10 I just use like a regular toothbrush. And no, this isn't a used toothbrush. This is a brand new toothbrush that I specifically use for my edges, and it's a soft bristle. So yeah, so what I usually do is just put a little bit on the toothbrush or your edge brush, and then whatever edges you want laid. I'm not for sure if you can really see, and I'll do like a real in-depth video if y'all want that. Just let me know in the comments, because I'm just basically just showing you my hair routine right now, not really how to do edges. But if you want to know how to do edges, I can show you, because mine be waves. Mine be waves. And then I also get this little part right here. I remember I could not do edges to save my life growing up, and it would make me so mad because I knew I had edges, but like I could not do them at all. And now I like do them quick, like what? Just like that. And I'm gonna do my top little swoop. And with the edges, please make sure they are even and like match up, because some girls' edges be all crazy. And I usually go over my edges like 3 or 4 times before I actually like them. And lastly, you gotta use your Got to Be Glue hairspray to just set everything in place. And get your edges. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, this is how I do my hair. If you would like any other specific videos, please let me know in the comments down below. Like, comment, subscribe. Also, sub to my OnlyFans, the link is also down below. And yeah, until next time, y'all, I'm out.